Welcome back to an English vlog. Today you will be learning English through a makeup vlog. So I'm going to be doing my makeup and you're going to learn English. Okay, so this is my routine. This is just what I do when I put makeup on. I don't always wear it, but when I do, this is what I do. Watching vlogs is one of the best ways to learn English because they're engaging. You don't feel like you're learning English, but at the same time, I'm showing you real objects. I'm speaking slowly so that you can understand. So watch this vlog to learn English. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing a Spanish football top. Now, I did live in Spain for a year. I was teaching English and also I was practicing Spanish because I love to learn languages as well. So I did support Spain in the World Cup and they did win. So now they have 2 stars. So I need to get a new star. And I'm not really interested in football, but I did enjoy watching the World Cup because I think it was so nice to see all of the teams celebrate and have fun together in America. So I really enjoyed watching the team spirit and the fans. So the football was good, but I liked the fans celebrating. In today's video, let's just get started. This is my makeup routine and I'm going to teach you the English for makeup as well. So first of all, I have my mirror. So this is a mirror. It has my name on it. My sister got me this, so I'll use this. It's a very small mirror. I'll use that to do my makeup. Then I've got a hairbrush as well, so just brush my hair lightly. I think it looks all right. Today I have wavy hair. I've got waves in my hair. Now, the first step to my makeup, this is primer, but I'm not going to use primer. This helps your makeup to stick to your face, but I don't need that. The first thing I always put on my face is SPF 50 plus because I've got white skin. I need to protect my skin from the sun. So I always wear SPF. Very important. And this also has moisturizer in it, so it moisturizes my face as well. So I'll put some of that on. So I pump and it's like a white cream. And I love the smell of sun cream. It always smells like summer for me because I need it in the summer, so it reminds me of summer. Now the next thing I put on is, this is my favorite. It's kind of like foundation for the face. Halo Glow liquid filter, so it gives your face a glow. So I'll open this, and there's like a wand. This is a wand, and then I just put dots over my face like that. Put it back in. Then I get a makeup brush and I just brush it in, and I evenly rub it into my skin. So I just do an even layer of this, so it just has like a light glow. I like a bit of a shine or glow rather than matte. I like a shine. Next we have concealer. This is my concealer, and we put this over any blemishes or spots to just hide them. So just a little bit, and then I rub it in. Next we have bronzer. So this is MAC bronzer. There's also a little mirror. So I get my bronzer brush, which has like an angle to it. Pat. And then I just kind of do it along my cheekbones. And then on my forehead. My cheeks. And then I just rub it in. So, too much. Just do it on my cheeks and rub it in. This is to give me a bit of a tan and to sculpt the face, sculpt the cheeks. Now my favorite part of makeup is blush. Now I have lots of different types of blush. So I have Nora's blush. So this is like a bright pink blush. Then I have a liquid, like a liquid shiny blush. So this is powder blush, liquid blush, and then also like a blush wand, like a sponge. It's a sponge. I'll use the sponge today. You just dot it up the cheeks. A little bit on the nose. You can also add powder as well. So get the blush brush, and you have to do like apples, like little apples. Like kind of smile. I love a blush because it makes you feel alive, because you don't want to look dead. You want to have a bit of life to you. So use a tiny bit of that, because this is quite intense, but it's okay to look, do you see? It's very intense. It's okay to look a little bit pink sometimes. I like pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so that's why I like blush. I like to look pink, a little bit alive. Next, the eyebrows. So because I am blonde and because it's summer, so the sun makes my hair extra blonde and my eyebrows extra blonde, I use this to kind of brush them out. So I just brush them. I don't like eyebrows too intense on me. Other people, yes, but not on me. So I just kind of brush them. The eyelashes. So also I have very blonde eyelashes. So I like Charlotte Tilbury. Put on some mascara. So this mascara is quite intense. So I have the eyelashes to give them a bit of length, make them a little bit longer. Lipstick. So I have two lipsticks. Again, I like pink. So this is Charlotte Tilbury, and that's like a pinky color as well. And then this is Charlotte Tilbury as well. And it's like a little bit darker. So let's try the darker one. So we have lipstick, close the lipstick. So this is the finished look. It's just like a light layer of makeup, my daily makeup, and that's pretty much it. It's all over the place now. This is my makeup bag, so it's a little bit messy now. And then also, what do I put on? Oh yeah, I've got, these are earrings if I want to put on some earrings as well. I like dangly earrings, so little dangly ones. So I've got earrings as well. That is the final look. Hopefully you learned some English. So let me just test you. What is this? Yeah, a brush. A brush. What is this? Bronzer. Bronzer. What is this? A mirror. A mirror. Okay, what is this or this? Blush. Blush. Right. What is this for? Eyebrows. This is for the eyebrows. And then what is this for? Eyelashes. Mascara. Mascara for eyelashes. And then we have this. What is this? Lipstick. Lipstick. This is a hairbrush. A hairbrush. Oh yeah. And we have our sun cream, our SPF, to protect us from the skin, from the sun as well. What are these? Earrings. Earrings. Hopefully you learned lots of English from that video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and you learned my makeup routine. Let me know what team you were supporting in the World Cup. Let me know if you were supporting Spain in the final. And yeah, me encanta España. So yeah, to me, yeah, I love just watching sports in general. I love watching tennis. I love watching cricket, football, and I don't really care who wins. I have never cared about who wins matches. I am not a competitive person. I grew up playing sport. I grew up playing tennis, athletics, rugby, and I never cared if I won. All I wanted to do was take part. I know it sounds cringy, but I just wanted to play, and if I played, that was enough. People are very passionate if they lose. I really don't care. And then if a team wins, like even if Ireland's playing, they just had fun. So to me, it's not about winning, it's about taking part. That's not even a joke. Maybe that's just the teacher in me. But yeah, now I also have my glasses. Now I can see everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned lots of English, and I'll see you later.